Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Children, today I will tell you about conjunction. Okay, conjunction is made up of two words. Conjunction is made up of two words, con and junction. Con means together, junction means to join. Here conjunction means joining together. Conjunctions are used to join words, sentences and group of words. Okay, so conjunctions are linking words. They are also known as connectors. So conjunctions are used to join the words, sentences and also group of words. So what is conjunction in English language? Let us see. A conjunction is a joining word that is used for joining together sentences, words and group of words. So what is conjunction in English language now? A conjunction is a joining word. A conjunction is a joining word that is used for, joining together sentences, words and group of words. Okay, so let us see one example here. Rahul will go to the fair tomorrow. Rohit will go to the fair tomorrow. So, here in these sentences, here we can see two sentences. Rahul will go to the fair tomorrow. Rohit will go to the fair tomorrow. Okay, here both the sentences are telling about the same thing. Okay, these both the sentences are telling about the similar idea here. Okay, see, Rahul will go to the fair tomorrow. Rohit will go to the fair tomorrow. So both the sentences, both the sentences are telling about the same thing. So do we really need to write both the sentences? Do we really need to write both the sentences? No. We can write one sentence because both the sentences are telling about the same thing. So we can write one sentence. So let us see how to write a one sentence. Rahul and Rohit will go to the fair tomorrow. Okay, Rahul and Rohit will go to the fair tomorrow. What we have done here? In both the sentences, we have taken the common part. Okay, see, will go to the fair tomorrow. Here also, will go to the fair tomorrow. So in both the sentences, we have taken the common part and we have written it once. Right, children? In both the sentences, we have taken the common part and we have written it once. So, will go to the fair tomorrow. Will go to the fair tomorrow. And here, Rahul, Rohit. Okay, Rahul, Rohit. To join both the sentences, we have used a word that is and. Rahul and Rohit. Okay, Rahul and Rohit. Okay, both they went to the fair tomorrow. So here we are used the word and to join the sentence. Right, children? So this and is known as conjunction. And is a conjunction here. Okay, conjunction, as I told you, is a joining word which is used to join the sentences. Here and is used to join this both the sentences. Okay, to make it as one sentence. Because these both the sentences are similar, having a similar idea, telling about the same thing. Rahul will go to the fair tomorrow. Rohit will go to the fair tomorrow. So these both are going to the fair tomorrow. Okay. So here, instead of writing two sentences, we have written one sentence, only one, by using a conjunction. Understood, children? So conjunction is a joining word. It is used to join together sentences. Now let us see this sentence, children. Would you like to take an ice cream? Would you like to take cool drink? Okay. Would you like to take an ice cream? Would you like to take cool drink? Okay. Would you like to take a cool drink? Okay. In these sentences, what we can see? We can see that in these both the sentences, we are giving the choice, okay, to girl. Okay, that is, would you like to take an ice cream? Would you like to take a cool drink? Here in this sentence, we are giving an option, means there is a choice. Okay, when the sentence is telling about the choices, we are giving a choice to a girl. So what she would like, let her take. Okay, what really she likes, we are giving the choice to take that. Okay, in these both the sentences. So here, how to make a sentence when they are expressing about the choices? Let us see now. Here, I am going to write a sentence. Would you like to take an ice cream or cold drink? Would you like to take an ice cream or a cold drink? We cannot write, would you like to take an ice cream and cold drink? Because we are not giving the option to select both here. Okay, we are giving a choice here, whether she want to take an ice cream or a cold drink. Here we are going to give a choice. So we can write a sentence, would you like to take an ice cream or cool drink? So in this sentence, or is a conjunction. Or is a conjunction used to join the sentence when they are expressing about the choices. Okay, see here, would you like to take an ice cream? Would you like to take a cool drink? In these both the sentences, we are giving a choice to select any one of these, whether it is a ice cream or whether it is a cool drink. Any one to be selected here. Okay, so here we can write the sentence by joining the word or. Okay, so would you like to take an ice cream or cool drink? Okay, understood? So here in this sentence, or is a conjunction used to join the sentence when they are expressing the choice. Understood, children? Now let us see one more sentence. Mona is poor. She is happy. Mona is poor. She is happy. Okay, these are the sentences. Okay, Mona is poor is one sentence. She is happy. Okay, so in this sentence we can see something which is opposite. Okay, see here, Mona is poor. She is happy. Here the words poor and happy, something like opposite, which is telling about the opposite ideas. It is telling about the opposite ideas. That is, Mona is poor, she is happy. Here she means Mona, right children? We are talking about Mona here. Mona is poor, she is happy. She means Mona here in this sentence. So here the sentence are telling something about opposite ideas. So how can we join this? Yes, Mona is poor but happy. We can join this both the sentence using a conjunction but. Mona is poor but happy. Okay, here the word but is a conjunction we use to join this sentence. Okay, so that means but we use but when the sentence is something having a opposite ideas. Okay, so the sentence which is telling about something opposite ideas. So there we are going to use but. Okay, Mona is poor but happy. Here but is a conjunction. So now we have learned the conjunctions and, or, but. Okay, these words are conjunctions. Understood children? And is used, and is a conjunction used when the sentence tells about the similar ideas, means same ideas, which are telling about the same thing. Okay, when the sentence is telling about the same thing, we use and to join the sentences. Okay, or when the sentences are expressing about the choices. Okay, when the sentences are expressing about the choices, that sentences, in those sentences, we are using the conjunction or. Okay, when the sentences is telling about something opposite idea, so those sentences we are using a conjunction but. Okay, understood children? Okay, let us see some exercise part now. Okay children, now let us join these sentences using a conjunction. Let us see how to join these sentences using conjunction. The first one you can see is, she is old, she looks young. Okay, she is old, she looks young. Okay, how to join this sentence? How to join both the sentence to make one sentence? Okay, first here we can see that there is some opposite idea in both the sentence. Right children? See, she is old, she looks young. Here old and young are the words which are showing some opposite ideas. Okay, so what type of conjunction we can use here? As children, you are right, but. Okay, so we can write the sentence like this. She is old but young. Here in this sentence, we are using the conjunction but to join both the sentences. Okay, the next sentence, we'll go for the next. Here, he is handsome, he is tall. He is handsome, he is tall. So these both the sentences are similar. Okay, he is handsome, he is tall. Okay, it is telling about the same idea. Right, children? So here in this sentence, we can use a conjunction and to join these sentences, both the sentences. He is handsome. He is handsome and tall. He is handsome and tall. Both the sentences are telling about the same thing, that is handsome and tall. It is having similar idea. So we are using a conjunction and to join this both the sentences. He is handsome and tall. Okay, next sentence. Is it a pigeon? Is it a dove? Is it a pigeon? Is it a dove? Here the sentence is expression as having like a option. There is a choice. Is it a pigeon? Is it a dove? We don't know what it is. Right, children? So it might be pigeon, it might be dove. So here the conjunction we use for these sentences is or. See, is it a pigeon or dove? Is it a pigeon or dove? Okay, we don't know either it is a pigeon, either it is a dove. So we can join the sentence using the conjunction or. Okay, children. Next, tortoise is slow, he is steady. Tortoise is slow, he is steady. So how can we write this sentence using a conjunction? Tortoise is slow. Okay, he is steady. So here we are seeing that in both the sentences there is some opposite idea. Slow, steady. So tortoise is slow but steady. Right, children? Tortoise is slow. He is steady. Tortoise is slow. Slow but steady. Here we are seeing the expression of opposite. Okay, it is slow but steady. So tortoise is slow but steady. Next, mother bought some apples. She also bought oranges. So here mother bought some apples. She also bought oranges. In both the sentences, we can see the similar idea. Okay. So here, do we really need to write two sentences? Both the sentences? No. So what we want to do here? We have to take out the common part. What is the common part in the both the sentences? Bought some apples, bought oranges. These are the common parts you are taking out in this sentence. So we will rewrite the sentences using a conjunction. Mother bought some apples and oranges. So we can write the sentence. Mother bought some apples and oranges. Okay. Next, would you like coffee? Would you like tea? Would you like coffee? Would you like tea? So here the sentences are telling about the options. Okay. So here Would you like coffee? Would you like tea? We are having the choices. So when the sentence is telling about the choices, when it is expressing about the choices, what conjunction we can use? Yes, children, you are right. Or. So we can write the sentence. Would you like coffee or tea? Would you like coffee or tea? Okay. Here we are using the conjunction or to join the sentences. So what do you mean by conjunctions here? A conjunction or joining words. Okay. Conjunctions or joining words. Okay. They join. What all they join? They join. They are used to join sentences, group of words and words. Okay. So the conjunctions are and, or, but. In today's class we have learned the conjunctions and, or, but. Okay. I hope you understood this. We will meet in the next class, children. Thank you.